whatever I set out.
About the recipe.
About the recipe. If you don't hear from me, it's because
he doesn't have a kill switch.
So I'm here in the cookout parking lot. It's a little early, a little rainy, a little wet. It is the Cheerwine Festival here, and try some different things. I've got something in the works. You've seen it. If you watch the channel, you've seen it a couple times now. What you got for today?
This is Donut Envy of Advance in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. We're set up here at the Cheerwine Festival for our 4th straight year. We're doing some of our mini donuts with our Cheerwine glaze today. The Cheerwine glaze is something we only do for the Cheerwine Festival in Salisbury. Donut Envy is a nationwide franchise. We're one of many here in North Carolina and one of the first in North Carolina when we first started. And here's our Cheerwine glaze. And that's is our small bag of 6 mini donuts.
So who are you, where are we at, what are you doing?
World's greatest funnel cakes. We are at the Cheerwine Festival 2025, Salisbury. We're going to make a Cheerwine topped funnel cake. All right, got it golden brown, ready to come out. Cheerwine? Yep. Crushed cherries with some Cheerwine syrup. Put it on there like that. A little bit of marshmallow cream. Make it like a Cheerwine float. Is your Cheerwine world's greatest funnel cake.
I'm Danny with World Cuisine, one of the food vendors at the Cheerwine Festival, and we have our featured item is Cheerwine Italian sausage with Cheerwine onions and peppers. Comes on a bun. We hand dip this with chicken hot dogs or pork hot dogs. We hand dip it with our mixed batter and Cheerwine syrup. We fried gold to perfection. There you go. Your very own Cheerwine full-on corn dog.
This is like magma right now, I guarantee it.
I'm from El Patron, Mexican Grill in Salisbury. Across the street to Walmart. And the Cheerwine taco is come with barbecue sauce and syrup, Cheerwine. We make a flavor and Cheerwine taco with pork. Yeah, you come with us and thank you, appreciate it. I have Cheerwine margarita, different items with Cheerwine flavor.
Yeah, come check them out. Those tacos look amazing. We'll try one out in a sec.
We are Yummy Bun Me Street Side Cafe here in Salisbury, North Carolina. We're known for our bun me fries, the Vietnamese barbecue pork rice bowls, crab rangoon spring rolls, Cheerwine glazed wings. Come see us. We're on West Fisher Street, right behind Bell Tower.
We made a sweet and spicy Cheerwine salsa. It has multiple types of chilies. Everything is made from scratch here. But yeah, it's sweet and spicy and it goes really well with our brisket. We can get it on tacos or nachos.
So today we have our Cheerwine cheesecake empanadas. We inspire it based off of our brandy cherry old fashions that we make at the restaurant. And then we're also doing a smoky Cheerwine chipotle masitas. Masitas are lean cuts of pork that we flash fry, so we're tossing them in that Cheerwine guava sauce, which is really good.
That is delicious though.
Sorry, but they are great.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. I saw the cannolis and I was like, we have to do a cannoli.
Absolutely.
We have to do a cannoli.
Absolutely.
There we go. Greatest of all time.
You got a filling in there with Cheerwine ricotta, and then it's been capped with chocolate chips on the end there.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. It's the best one you ever had, huh?
Ever.
Produce our hot honey in-house.
Okay.
The peppers are locally grown and sourced. They're all made in-house, fresh every week. So with this one, the guy who makes it for us, he kind of tested it around. He reduced the Cheerwine into like a syrup, certain part of the Cheerwine syrup reduction to honey, and the spice is how we came up with it. It's tasty though, I can promise you that. The hot honey goes so well on pizza. Like we do it normally with our superset salami, but it goes well on pepperoni. So adding that Cheerwine in gives it like a little extra something. It's gonna go well.
We're a Spud Wings food truck. We do chicken wings and spud potatoes like a dipper style fry. We're out of Oakboro near Albemarle, North Carolina, and we're up here at the Cheerwine Festival doing a couple different dishes, sweet potato fries with a Cheerwine fluff and candy pecans. And then we're doing a dipper style fry, arugula salad with Cheerwine infused queso, tomatoes, arugula, red onions, and mozzarella.
So we have our cherry Cheerwine empanadas.
Okay.
We have some that are fried, like these right here. And we also had a few that we baked.
Y'all don't get to enjoy it on camera as much as we do here.
NC ribs on wheels, smoked ribs in process. You got some that's already done, and we got smoked turkey legs here. But the best of all that's on this smoked pork shoulder is that damn beef brisket. That's smoked beef brisket. Peace.
I don't know if I've ever seen this. That's cool.
This is the half Cheerwine or whole?
I need a half of one.
All right, got you.
I can take next. And then one.
So what's that you putting on first?
Here's the regular.
Snow cream.
Snow cream.
This is a Cheerwine snow cream.
Oh, I got it. So it's gonna taste like a float.
Exactly.
How much corn do you go through?
At the Cheerwine Festival, we
100 pounds of unpopped popcorn. This year, I'm expecting more. We always come with way too much, and normally we're pretty good. So I'm trying to stay ahead of the curve, but every crowd blows me out of the water every year. I come better prepared, and yeah, we've been doing it since 2017.
Okay.
We did it for Cheerwine's 100th birthday party, and we've just grown from there.
Hey, I'm Paige with Cackalacky, and we make the Cackalacky Cheerwine sweet sauce, and we're just thrilled to be here. I think this is our, I don't know, 8th year coming, something, lost track. We're here every year, and it's a blast. It's our favorite festival, hands down.
You're gonna get on video.
You have a good one.
Thank you too. What an amazing day it's been. Finishing out with a Cheerwine float from Cookout. Often y'all ask me, how do I get that? Where do I try that? Never had it before. If there's a Cookout near you, you most likely can try Cheerwine. So good. The day started a little iffy, cloudy, rainy, nasty, but as you saw, it filled in. And when it filled in, man, did we get the chance to do some amazing stuff. I got to watch some amazing people cook and give me some amazing food. I never would imagine Cheerwine on pizza, cannolis, tacos, foot-long hot dog, empanadas, jerk chicken, wings, kettle corn, so many other different things. Like Cheerwine, just, it's amazing the different things that it complements and it does so well on, and you just wait. You seen me do it in sausage. We didn't get it to this one, but you wait, it's coming. Hope you enjoy this episode. It's a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. There were all sorts of stuff going on outside of the food. I didn't even do anything with the beer. There was Cheerwine in so many different beers. I didn't do anything with it because I don't really drink. And I was like completely overwhelmed by how many different food uses there were for it. Funnel cake, I forgot funnel cake. That was an amazing one that they did it on funnel cake. And then donuts, they did it on donuts. Oh my God, we're gonna have to go back next year. We're gonna have to coordinate it a little bit better, do some more of this. Please let me know in the comments what you like the most.